Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss HackerRank in that SQL language basic select. In this select all question I am going to solve. So first, what is your query in the select all? Select all queries, select all columns, that means attributes, fields for every row in the city table. So now here, what is your table name? City. And what are your columns? What are your attributes? What are your fields here? ID, name, country code, district, and population. So now you have to display all the columns. So now here for this case, what you have to write, which keyword you will use to select here, what is the query? All columns. So for all you have to write star. So for, if I want to select only one column ID, so you have to mention only one. If I want to select ID and name, ID comma name, from which table? Here I am selecting all the attributes, all the fields, all the columns from the city table. Here first select, here you have to mention the columns names. Here I need the all the columns from the city table. Here from, then followed by table name, and then terminated by semicolon. Let me run this code in the MySQL platform. Run this, and here it is executed, and submit this code. Yes, it is correct. So select star from city. I hope it is clear to you. Thank you very much to you all.